Good morning. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, Human Settlement. Human settlement is a modern word, but from ancient time human is traveling from one place to another place in the search of food and security. Human settlement is divided into two parts. First one is permanent and second one is temporary. We are going to discuss about permanent settlement. Permanent settlement is also divided into two parts. First one is urban and second one is rural. First we discuss about urban. Urban settlement is defined according to the country. In India, it defined in 1991. According to this, in which area where municipality, corporation, cantonment, notified town area committee is work, which is called urban settlement. The second condition is, first condition, any corporation work. It may be municipality, and corporation, cantonment, or any local authority. The second condition is 5,000 people minimum living there, and the third condition is 75% of male. The total population is, according to 75% of the total population male are working in non agriculture activity. And the fourth condition is density is about 400 square kilometer. The four things is defined in the definition of urban settlement. Now discuss second part of pattern of the settlement. Pattern or shape, we can also call it shape of settlement. The pattern is divided into two parts. First one is nucleated or compacted. It means people are living on short place. Many houses are built in a short place, just like a colony. And second one is disperse, in which a long area but the residents are very few. It is the example of mountain area where on one mountain only 5, 6 and 8 houses are built with a gap. Now we are discuss the next part, factor of rural settlement. Factor of rural settlement. First, water supply. Second, land, fertile land. Third, upland is used for the security from flood. Fourth one is building material. Mostly residents are developed where people can find easily building material. And fifth and the last one is defense. People are living together for defense their families. The sixth one is modern thing which is used by government policy, in which government develop colonies to settle down people. For example, Indira Gandhi Canal project. Through this project, government developed many towns and villages